To know is to know that you know nothing, said Socrates, the famed ancient Greek philosopher. And while we know a lot thanks to science, there's still so much that we don't know. These mysteries have stumped scientists throughout the ages, and will leave you scratching your head. Here are 5 science mysteries no one has figured out. Number 1. How did the universe form? A few things we know about the universe. It's infinite. It's littered with black holes, and thinking about it can make your brain hurt. And one of those things we don't know, how it began. Even otherwise all-knowing Stephen William Hawking, theoretical physicist, cosmologist, and director of research at the Center for Theoretical Cosmology in Cambridge, wasn't sure. Some brilliant minds wonder if it even had a beginning at all, or if it was always there. Number 2. What happens inside a black hole? Black holes are places in space where gravity is so strong that even light can't escape. So no one has ever been able to say what happens inside a black hole. Hawking has theorized that rather than being stored within the deep clutches of a black hole, information from within a black hole actually remains outside of it, and is therefore theoretically accessible. Number 3. The fate of the universe. Just as scientists haven't figured out how the universe started, they haven't figured out how it will end. They do know that life on Earth can't continue forever, because life on Earth is supported by the sun, which, like all stars, will eventually die. And they do know the universe will end, but how that will happen depends on many unknowns, including the shape of the universe, its density, and the amount of dark matter within it. Number 4. How did life start? We're talking about life, not just human life here. There's no shortage of scientific speculation, and new findings turn up all the time about how life's basic building blocks could have been generated in primordial conditions or delivered to Earth from outer space. And it's not like scientists can even agree on which area of science will provide the answer, or if science is even where we should look. Number 5. Is there intelligent life outside of Earth? The Great Pyramids, Stonehenge, crop circles. How'd any of this happen without help from intelligent life from somewhere beyond our own planet? While we haven't found signs of extraterrestrial intelligent life, wouldn't basic probability lead to the conclusion that somewhere out there are beings who have at least as much intelligence as Earthlings? But let's say there was such a thing as extraterrestrial intelligent life. Would we even be able to recognize it with our Earthling senses? For now, the whole thing remains a mystery. If you like this kind of videos, don't forget to subscribe and smash the like button. If you have more interesting ideas, don't forget to leave them below.